All right, also, the only thing you can find on WHNT, we've got meteorologist Ben Smith. He's got a dive in on Ben's adventures this week with another Ben on the go.
Yeah, I use dive in because my first picture is kind of exactly like that.
Okay, look, now I'm holding my breath. Let's see what we have here.
Let's go ahead and just show that real quick.
All right.
Oh, no. There it is.
Yes.
Nice
oh,
tackle there.
literally in the air, mid-air.
Absolutely. It was a lot of fun. We were at Madison County High School over the weekend. This was their homecoming game. And that gentleman right there, I mean, that's the head coach. That's Jonathan Snyder. He's the head coach of the Ardmore Tigers. That guy was intense.
Oh, my gosh. I can tell. I can tell with those players he's got out there.
And that guy right, Javion Riddle, number 0 for Ardmore. I would have to hate to tackle that guy.
Yeah, he's a big one.
He was absolutely, I mean, you see him when he scored a few touchdowns for Ardmore.
There you go.
They end up winning 41-20, but it was a great night. There's a homecoming queen.
Oh, yes, beautiful. And congratulations to her.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it was a lot of fun over the weekend, and of course on Saturday I had to see the little guys.
Yes,
too.
they always put a smile on your face.
Yeah, the B team, I went out there last year. They won their league last year, and they played Dade County, Georgia on Saturday. And what do you think right there? That's number 18, Chase McSwain. What do you think he's thinking right there?
Keep running. He's probably saying, keep running. Hold the ball. I don't know if they can ever hear me through my screen, but I just say, just hold on to the ball, baby. That's all you need to do.
Just don't hit me hard. I couldn't do it. And speaking of hard hits.
Oh, my God.
I mean, look at these guys are like 8 and 9 years old.
They don't care.
Look at the next one. That looks painful.
It probably was. He probably felt it the next Sunday morning.
Number 23 is Braxton Hampton.
Braxton Hampton, look, I'm saying a prayer for you, buddy. Don't worry.
I hope he's feeling okay this morning. Look at number 5 right there. I mean, that's Fisher Cow. I mean, he's taking the toss sweep there. That's the old school, the 28 sweep on the left side. But got the blocker in front.
And you see what I like? He's got that ball tucked tight. Man, that's what I'm saying. It's all about holding the ball because we done seen too many fumbles with the NFL. Right. But I digress.
You're right. You're absolutely right. High and tight, young man. That's what we want. And there's another one. By any means necessary, try to get that guy down.
Oh,
you gotta pull him. Just go ahead and pull him.
That stiff arm, though. That stiff arm. He's saying, not today, not today.
All right, let's go ahead and shift gears.
All right.
Great lighting here. This is out there at Lake Guntersville at sunset, and as you can see, I got that osprey right there. The Eagles have been, I don't know what, they've been avoiding me or something.
Really?
I can't get them, but I did get one, Mariah, and I'll show you my last picture here. And check out these two in midair.
Is one like upside down? Am I seeing that right?
Absolutely.
It's literally upside down.
Yeah. So what they're doing is, I think this is their mating call.
Okay. All right.
So when you see them up there just kind of doing their little duet.
Oh,
so,
yeah, it's a duet.
You know, maybe they are, maybe they're mating, and maybe we'll get an egg, and maybe the whole nesting process.
And that's exciting. Yes, like you said, you always like to track the eggs. We watch it all the time.
And that's when they're just kind of sitting up in the, if the one is sitting up in the nest for a long time, that means maybe they're sitting on an egg, and then maybe we'll get a baby, and then we'll get a lot of feeding, and then the whole process starts over again.
All right. Well, I like that. So we are literally at the beginning of the beginning. This could have potentially been, like you said, that mating call. So this is the beginning of the whole process. This is how it works.
And I was very fortunate to get that yesterday morning because they were just flying around, and then when I saw them do that, that's the beginning.
How you knew.
That's how it goes.
Well, look, the beginning of the beginning, everybody. We're going to keep track of them this season. Hopefully, Ben, he's going to keep an eye on them.